Have you ever heard of Castle Bravo? On March 1st, 1954, American scientists detonated a bomb they thought they understood. They were wrong by a factor of 2.5. The device was called Shrimp, a hydrogen bomb, fusion not fission, predicted yield 6 megatons. Big but known, calculated, contained on paper. They stood behind concrete 30 miles out and waited for something they'd already written the ending to. 15% over, not double. 2.5 times what the math said was possible. A fireball 4 miles wide, visible from over 250 miles away. The scientists who built it were still calculating the predicted yield when the actual one arrived. The error wasn't a rounding mistake. It was a wrong assumption about one ingredient, lithium, and how much of it would actually take part in the reaction. They thought most of it was inert. It wasn't. The extra fuel meant extra fallout. It fell on islands that weren't supposed to be in range. It fell on a Japanese fishing boat called Lucky Dragon 5. Men who felt ash landing on their skin like snow. 100 miles from where anyone had drawn the danger line. Within months, one of those fishermen was dead. Islanders were evacuated from homes they'd never returned to. And the number that mattered most in nuclear physics, in the one separating contained from catastrophe, turned out to have a margin of error nobody had priced in. Castle Bravo remains the largest nuclear detonation in US history, not because anyone wanted it to be, but because the equation had a variable they thought they'd solved. Some very cheap version of that question over. We built a weapon that made a mistake proportional to itself. The bigger the tool, the bigger the error it can afford to make before someone else pays for it.